Hi there and welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to delete duplicate photos on your device, no matter if you use iOS, Mac, Android, or Windows. For this process, I found an easy and simple software called Duplicate Photos Fixer Pro. Here is the website, www.duplicatephotosfixer.com. It has a free version and a pro version. The free version has some limitations, while the pro version often has discounts and is available at an affordable price. Before we start, I want to show you a small trick to get an extra 50% off. Sometimes this works, sometimes not, but you can try it. Just go to Buy Software. When the buying page appears, try going back or try to leave the page. Many companies don't want to lose a customer, so before you leave they might offer an extra discount. But as you can see, in our try it didn't work this time. Don't worry, at the end of the video I will show you another trick that works more often. Now let's go back to the software again. Just select your device and download it. In our case, we're using a PC. Once you download it, run the installer to install the program. The installation is easy and simple. Just accept the terms and agreements, click Next a few times, and the software will start downloading and installing. This may take a few seconds to a few minutes depending on your internet speed. When it's installed, open the program. As you can see, it looks simple and easy to use. On the right side, you can select the matching level, bitmap size, time interval, and other features you may need. You can also select where you want to scan from: PC, Dropbox, photo organizer, or other locations. You can even drag and drop photos if you want to scan duplicates from only specific images. Once everything is set, just click Scan. The scan will begin and may take a few minutes depending on how many photos you have. After the scan is completed, it will show all scanned photos. Duplicate photos will be marked in red, and photos that will remain will be marked in green. You have the option to delete manually or delete automatically. To delete them manually, just click the trash icon next to each photo. You need to do this for every duplicate individually. If you choose Delete Automatically, the free version allows removing only 15 photos. As we can see, it works very well and is simple to use. With just a few clicks, you can free up space on your device by removing unnecessary duplicate photos. Now, as I promised, here is the second trick to get a 50% discount. After this, we will also take a look at the Pro version to see how it works. Go to Settings on your PC. Then go to Apps. From there, select Installed Apps. Find Duplicate Photos Fixer Pro and uninstall it. After uninstalling, it will redirect you to a web page saying they don't want to lose you, and because of that, they offer 50% discount. At this moment, this method works. I hope it will work in the future for you too. After that, if you want to use the Pro version, just purchase the software. Once you complete the purchase, download it again and reinstall it on your device. So let's activate the software now and take a look at the Pro version. To upgrade, just click on Upgrade Now inside the program. Then enter your activation code into the field. After you type it in, click Activate. Your software will now be upgraded to the Pro version. As you can see, the interface is the same as the free version. You still have all the settings options on the right side, where you can adjust the matching level, bitmap size, and other filters. Once everything is set, click Scan to start looking for duplicate images. Since this is the first scan with the Pro version, we need to wait a few seconds until it completes. The time depends on how many photos you have. In my case, the scan found duplicates that can free up 1.5 gigabytes of space by deleting unnecessary and repeated images. Just like in the free version, you can delete photos manually or automatically. But now, with the Pro version, the automatic delete has no limits. You can remove all duplicate photos at once by clicking Delete. Sometimes the software may warn you that certain images are located in system folders or protected locations. This is normal. You can always check the photos yourself to make sure everything is correct, then click OK to continue with the deletion. And that's it. In just a few clicks and under a minute, all your duplicate photos are deleted and your PC storage is cleaned and optimized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and helpful tips.